okay. I normally don't do these things, but here we go. This, my new Schrade. There you go. You can tell it's August. Let me get my, this is my cheapo Jaguar. Yeah. Alright, this is just how it came. I'm not showing the other side because it's my home address on there. There it is. Plain plastic. Alright. Piece of cardboard in there, I guess. Oh, look at that. Okay. Huh. How does this work? I've never seen a knife like this one before. I thought this was, oh yeah, it is out the front. Okay. Oh, I see. Huh. Oh, there's a lock on here. Look at that. There's the lock. That must be the lock. Okay. There it is. Now it works like that. Huh. But it doesn't go, you have to do this. It's not dual action. You push that, I guess, and slide this back. And then, yeah, no, I'm not liking this at all. No. It's okay. Not bad. I like a dual action out the front rather than this. I thought this was dual action. It's not. It's just this. It comes out nice. Blade's nice. AUS 8. It's pretty good steel. But I'm just upset that it's not dual action. I wish it was dual action. It's one of these, you know, you gotta unlock the blade and then drag it back in. Yeah. It's okay. It's not, it's okay. It's like somewhat sharp. It's not like crazy sharp. Yeah, I handle a lot of knives, so I know not to, you know, go and slice now. Doing this. Huh. Oh well. Okay. Well, that's my Schrade out the front. Single action. And that's the lock on it, so no, it won't do that. It won't do that in your pocket, but it does. A little tiny bit of that blade does poke out of there. That's kind of scary. But, it's okay. I'm not super happy with this thing, but I think this was like, I don't know, $30 or something. So, you know, you can't really expect too much. All right, that's that for that.